Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade to premium in the PlantIn app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the PlantIn app. And here it opens up in My Plans. From here, we just have to go into More. Then tap on the cog icon in the top right corner. And then here tap on Manage Subscriptions. And here if you tap on Premium Status, or rather upgrades lifetime, we can upgrade to premium. Or if you tap on this, then we can just unlock the premium experience by paying like $50, and then we have full access to the app. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.